In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Prezi for business presentations. Whether you're new to Prezi or just need a refresher, this guide will walk you through creating a professional and engaging presentation for your business needs. First things first, you'll want to log in to your Prezi account and open your dashboard. If you don't have an account, you'll need to sign up. It's pretty straightforward. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard, the control center for all your presentation creations. This is where we begin our journey. Now, locate and click the Create from Template button. This is an essential step because starting with a professional business template can save you a lot of time and effort. Prezi offers a diverse range of templates designed for business purposes, so explore and choose one that aligns with the theme of your presentation and feels right for your audience and message. With your template selected, it's time to personalize it. Begin by adding your company name, logo, and other branding elements to the main topic. This makes your presentation unmistakably yours and helps build brand recognition. Let's move on to structuring your presentation. Create subtopics for each key section of your presentation. Typical sections might include an introduction to set the stage, data to present your facts and figures, strategy to outline your plans, and conclusions to wrap it all up. These subtopics help organize your content neatly, making it easier for your audience to follow. To effectively support your business points, you'll want to insert charts, graphics, and images. These visual aids can significantly enhance understanding and retention, and Prezi makes it easy to add them with just a few clicks. You might, for example, include bar charts to show sales growth or images to demonstrate your brand's presence at events. One of the unique features of Prezi is its zooming paths, which allow you to zoom in on specific details you want to highlight. This keeps your audience engaged and focused on the critical parts of your presentation. To use this feature, simply select the object or text you want to emphasize and create a zoom path that dives deep into it, drawing in your audience. Next, don't forget to adjust the colors and fonts to match your corporate style. Consistency with your brand's visual identity is key to maintaining a professional look. So use your brand's colors and fonts to create a cohesive and visually appealing presentation. Before wrapping things up, click Present to preview the flow and pacing of your presentation. Go through each section, checking for smooth transitions and ensuring that your narrative unfolds naturally. This final step is crucial to ensure that everything looks polished and ready for prime time. And that's how you use Prezi for business presentations. By following these steps, you'll create a dynamic and professional presentation that captivates and informs your audience. Enjoy harnessing the power of Prezi to make your business stories come to life.